Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What you running in here, man?
4 HDS 3.2 SOUNDQUBED on one SLAPZ audio 5K right now.
Just 1.5K running everything.
Yes, sir. I ain't had a chance to do the highs yet.
Okay, it's all good, man.
Because it was a friend of mine who passed away, and I was thankfully I got the car.
Yeah. Just have to keep it going for him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a good thing. You need to close the trunk or just leave it open?
I'm gonna leave it open for a sec, and then I'll close it.
Okay.
Played. Where's my YouTube case? There it is.
It's all good, man.
I didn't know here. I was like, what is it doing?
Okay, appreciate y'all, man.
I'll be checking the channel. I love it.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank y'all.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.